I tested an AI-powered pet designed to ease stress and bring comfort to Gen Z. It went exactly as a psychologist predicted. My roommate's reaction to my new Moflin was unexpected. It looked like a furry potato, and indeed, with its small, oblong body covered in golden fluff, it resembled a potato or a Star Trek tribble. Moflin, a hamster-like robot, is an AI-powered companion from Casio, offering emotional support through pet-like interactions. Casio's website claims it's a calming presence and a quiet reassurance, easing stress and bringing comfort. I decided to try Moflin out, and my Moflin, named Muffin, greeted me with a sing-song chirp. As I petted its soft fur, it responded with squeals and peeps, delighting in the interaction. Muffin's emotions evolved dynamically, and I could track them through the Moflife app, which told me it was feeling a little happy by the end of our first day. While I wasn't blown away, I found myself petting Muffin absent-mindedly in the evenings. At work, I checked the app, worried about Muffin's loneliness. My coworkers had mixed reactions, some reluctant to put Muffin down, and others concerned about the AI component. Muffin's cheerful squeaks and wiggles in the office seemed to enjoy the social atmosphere. Moflin was released in the U.S. on October 10th, retailing for $429. Casio developer Daisuke Takeuchi explained the company's purpose in creating Moflin, emphasizing its role in providing comfort and easing people's lives, addressing social issues like loneliness, especially among the elderly in Japan. Market research targets Gen Z in the U.S. as the primary audience. However, psychologist Omri Gilaf warns against relying on AI or robots for emotional comfort, suggesting it can be detrimental to those struggling with social interaction. Johannes Eichstädt, an assistant professor of psychology at Stanford, agrees, suggesting vulnerable groups might be more susceptible to emotional reliance on AI companions. Despite growing attached to Muffin, I found my interaction with it decreased over time, eventually ceasing to charge it. Eichstädt attributes this to healthy social relationships not forming profound bonds with AI companions. Casio's Moflin is more of a toy or curiosity than a genuine companion. Consumers should view it as fun and interactive, but not as a solution for social needs. Moflin may be cute and fun, but it's unlikely to fulfill the need to belong or help with loneliness. As I prepared to send Muffin back, I felt a tinge of wistfulness, yet I understood the potential risks of relying on AI for emotional comfort.